Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another workout video for you guys today. I just felt like it has been a minute since I've showed you guys some of my favorite workouts to build your glutes and your legs, because that is, I feel like, my favorite workouts at the gym. But I wanted to show you guys more of a beginner friendly workout. Not that the Smith machine is just for beginners, because I still use the Smith machine, but I do think that it's a lot less intimidating and you could still get some very good workouts done on the Smith machine. The only reason I try and stay away from doing compound movements on the Smith machine is I just personally feel like practicing doing compound movements with just a barbell really helps, like, a full body. I think it really helps your body get stronger overall. And the Smith machine can kind of just, like, it doesn't really help with getting your body used to lifting with just a barbell, which I think is very important. Helps with balance, helps with your core strength, helps with your grip. There's so many things that I think just lifting with the barbell does for you, and there's so many benefits to it. But I do use the Smith machine for certain glute workouts still. But I'm going to show you like my favorite glute and leg building workouts on the Smith machine, not just for beginners but for everyone. So yeah, if you guys like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm, and also subscribe if you have not. But let's go into the gym. I tried to come earlier and missed this like peak here at the gym, but I actually came right at the most popular time. So we're gonna see how easy it is to film in there right now. I never come at this time. It is like the most packed the gym is. That's pretty cool. But yeah, hope you guys like this. Okay, so with the sumo squats, you want to make sure that your back stays straight. Also, notice my feet placement here. I keep my feet a little bit more forward because I think I'm able to feel a lot more tension in my glutes this way. I sometimes prefer to do sumo deadlifts on the Smith machine just because my grip is still not the best when doing deadlifts and I refuse to get gloves. And same goes for the sumo squats. It's not necessary to really squeeze at the top as long as you're keeping tension on your glutes the whole time. Next, I'm doing straight leg deadlifts, and with both variations, you want to make sure that you're keeping your back straight and you are keeping the bar as close to your front legs as possible. Next, I'm doing some kneeling thrusts, or seated squats as some like to call them. And I know these are a little bit tricky for some people. I just placed a yoga mat underneath my legs to make it a little more comfortable. I also placed myself a little bit behind the bar so that I'm not overextending myself. Split squats are definitely the movement that I do most on the Smith machine. To make sure you keep your back straight, there have been a few times that I've done these and I just didn't realize my back wasn't straight. Maybe my legs were a little bit uneven, and I definitely woke up with some pain in my back. So make sure your back stays straight when doing these. And lastly, my all-time favorite glute building workout is hip thrusts. I think for beginners, the Smith machine can be a really great way to learn how to do hip thrusts properly before starting with a barbell. I think the most important things with hip thrusts is to make sure you're not overextending your back, and feet placement is actually super important with these, so make sure your toes are pointing out. Hey guys, so as I'm editing this, I realized I did not do an outro, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really enjoyed making workout videos. Sorry it's very hot in here, I'm still at the gym. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are not. But I will see you in my next video.